Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Bernice and I'm back with you again with another video. So today we are going to install my first ever braids wig. Okay, this is my first ever braided wig, and yeah, it's made by Simplytee, Hair by Simplytee. I'm gonna put her Instagram down here so you can contact her for your own for very affordable price. And yeah, customize, you tell her what you want and she will do it for you. Okay, so if today is the first time stopping by my channel, please do it to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, join the family because mate, I've got a lot of tips for you. So yes, today we are doing this hair, which I can't wait. I've had it for a couple of months but I haven't installed it yet because I don't know, for some reasons this pandemic, where am I going? I'm not going anywhere, so I'm like, do I have to? But today I have to. Okay, I have to do it for you. So we're gonna install it together. So I'm gonna leave her details also in the description box, so in case you mix it on the screen you can find it in the description box. Okay, so contact her, tell her I sent you. So this is really cheap as compared. I have asked so many people, and yeah, of course she does most of my wigs, and I thought, okay, let me go to my truly, okay, my truly Simplytee, and see what she can do for me. And yeah, she came to my aid and she did it. Okay, it's so beautiful. It's quite long as well. I think this is maybe 24 inches long. Could be. So it's a full lace. It's full lace. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna install it and see how it comes out. Okay, let's get into the video. So as usual, I'm gonna use my got2b glue, which is the black one, this one here, and then I'm gonna go in with the got2b spray here, this one, and then later on, if it's needed, I'm gonna go in with my mousse. Yes, and of course, as usual, you will need your tail comb, okay, this small one. So we definitely do need a little brush. Okay, so yes, let's get into the video. And I'm not gonna have a hair net on today because I can't find it. I can't find any of mine, so mind your business and watch me. Okay, it's gonna work anyways. This is a quick one, baby girl. No fancy stuff going on here, okay? I did quick, simple and easy. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? No, I'll just do my own hair. love the hair. It's so freaking nice. Like, it's so nice. It looks like I've got braids. Listen, I probably braid my hair like once a year or not at all. Okay, so I don't really remember last time I got like real braids on my hair, but you know, I needed one of these because sometimes you do feel like it, you know, but I don't like to stress my hair and my scalp. So this is a beautiful option. This is a great option. Listen, can you tell? Listen, I just got my hair braided, okay? So yes, hairbysimplytee got me on this, okay? This beautiful piece. Listen, this is a wig. Can you tell? It's not nicely glued as well, not coming off. You need one of these to change your life. You definitely. God, imagine. I can also do like a middle part, I believe so. Let's try and do the middle part. Yeah, middle part. How come there is a line on the side parts right here? Doesn't look like there is a straight line, but we'll make it work, okay? So yes, this is the end of the video, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Please put your hands on this. If you don't want to stress your hair, you want something quick, ladies, we all need one of these, okay, in our life. So put your hands on them. Yes, if today is the first time stopping by, please do it to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yes, baby girl, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.